Hey guys, okay, I promise I'm going to change my outfit for these Glowforge videos. But like I said before, I'm doing a couple in a row because it's actually decent. The winter boredom has subsided and I can actually be out in the barn again. And then they closed down the rest of the world and I can't leave the barn. It's kind of frustrating. But I've got time to play with my Glowforge. And this is a SD card reader. I'm not sure which way it shows up on the camera, the right direction. But this is another one of those Thingiverse projects. If you're not familiar with Thingiverse, I'm going to try and make this an edit cut as I go get the pieces I just dropped. Somehow I doubt I edited that out because, well, I don't care and I just dropped another piece. Okay, we may edit now. Okay, so now I'm going to try to stop dropping all of my SD cards all over the floor. Now they're no longer in order and I don't know which one is which. Apparently I should label them. They're covered in sawdust. So this is another Thingiverse plan. Guys, if you're not familiar with Thingiverse, you should really go check it out. I've never looked at it before I got the Glowforge. And there's some really cool free plans over there that you can tip the artists. I'm not honestly really familiar with how it works. I'm going to read up on it and try and get more involved in that community and learn some from it. But like I said before, on my last video, I am learning about joinery. So I really like the joinery of this box. It is a fit top box and it fits pretty snug. I sanded the edges so it would slide in and out a little bit better. But all those little joints make the spacers in between for your SD cards. I love this joinery. I just used a dot of super glue, literally the smallest dot I could get out of my bottle, on the joints here, on each slot. Didn't occur to me till I was all done. All I really had to do was glue this piece and this piece, and everything else is going to stay locked in place because there's no way for it to come apart. Hindsight is 20/20. This piece, you do have to kind of glue all the joints, but you could probably just glue a couple of them and have it hold just fine. I'm using super glue. I'm using super glue and Gorilla Glue, trying them both out. I'm finding the Gorilla Glue still has that foaming, and I know there's a non-foaming Gorilla Glue, and I'm probably going to look into that. I also don't have activator spray, and I've looked for it. Someone out there has an activator spray that they like, or has an affiliate link they want to drop down in the description for activator spray for AC glue. I would appreciate it. I won't have a problem. I won't delete it. I won't block the comment for that one. If you have activator spray or you have one that you like, drop it down below with a link, maybe Amazon, whatever. I think it'll make this a whole lot easier. And I see a lot of the YouTubers and the big guys like David and Jimmy and a bunch of those guys who use that stuff all the time. Gosh, this is a great video. I've dropped stuff twice. I'm coughing in the video. Clearly I've been in the barn too long. More joinery stuff that I'm learning and more cutting files that I'm learning, the better it's getting. Now, I made this before I started shooting YouTube video for this project, and you'll see that I have one in there for Eleanor and Kate, and I have one that has little dog paws across it, and it says, "Keep your paws off my SD cards." Those are for my aunt. They are gifts. I'm not selling this stuff. I'm not selling this design. I am learning, getting some practice cutting and making stuff and making a couple of really cool gifts. So Aunt Eleanor and Aunt Kate, who live together, will be getting some really cool SD card holders. I hope they enjoy them. They're both big into photography. So guys, let me know, what would you like to see me make? Do you want to hear about how I make the coasters, how I make some of the stuff that I've made forever? Do you want to see how I did it? Do you want to see the computer side of it? Tell me what you want to see so I can get a better idea of how to make this a better experience for you guys. But for now, I have some video of the Glowforge running, cutting, and engraving, and me fuddling my way through trying to assemble this stuff. All right, guys, you have a good day. Remember, like, subscribe, help me out, And here's a fast forward view of what I did to get it to this point. All right, guys, have a good day.